Welcome back everybody. In this video, we will learn about destructuring. Destructuring is a concept coming from JavaScript, which also can be used in React.js. Imagine you have an object with multiple key value pair. Let's pretend we have 100 key value pairs. At this moment, I do not want all the 100 key value pair, but I would like to use 4 or 5 key value pairs in it. So which one you do you want to pick that completely depends upon your requirement. Which all required and picking them is called destructuring. Destructuring is available on an arrays and an object in JavaScript. In React.js, we use the same panda for destructuring the props. Props, which is used to pass the data from parent to the child. That we learned in the last session. Let's create an application as we are trying to sell in cars to the customers. I have an array of in cars in an handy. You'll be receiving them in a format of a description. Please check out the description. Let me paste over here. Since it is in JavaScript, it comes before the return. Here, each object in the cars array is trying to talk about car ID, car name, car description, images, and price. Image would come into the public folder into the images, and I have 7 car images. You'll be getting that in a description. Please look into that. Likewise, I have 7 objects grouped under one array. Let's try to destructure this and pass to another component called cars, which is responsible for rendering cars onto the page. Let me comment out this part. Let us create destructure our cars dot map function, which would take a callback function. Each item, let me try to take into the car. Cars has multiple car detail, so I'm trying to pick that into the car. There, we'll be writing a division. Let me put that into the new line, division, and close the division. Let me call upon the cars component, which we did not create it yet. So first, let us try to create that. In the SRC, try to create a component called cars, which is responsible for rendering the cars to the page. There, cars, which would receive in a prop of each car. Let's come back to this in a minute. App.js, going back, let us cars, which is expecting a prop to be written, car. Let us destructure the car, each car, and pass that as in props. That is all we needed here. Let's head back to the car and let's destructure the property what we received through the car. I would like to render that in a format of an cards. Head back to the bootstrap, get the cards template and try to paste it over here. I do not want to paste. Let me try to write it. Division, class name, which is equals to card, which is coming from the bootstrap place. I would like to show up division, one more division, which takes a class name as in card body. There. Let me render that in an H4, heading 4. Let me call that as in car dot CNAME. CNAME. That is a key which we passed to there. Let me have this as in class name, as in card title. Copy this and paste it one more time. I do not want that bigger one. Let me put that in a paragraph tag. Card text. I want description part. Description part can be destructured by using desk. And this is P. One more time. This time one more H5 tag. I want to destructure price. Let me put this as in text. If you see my price, I do not have INR over here. Let me put that here. This is my card. I would also show up my image there. To do that, image tag src equals car image, destructuring the image part of it. Let me put that as in top. So card AIMG top. If something is going wrong, let me show you an alternate message. Let me call that as in C name, car name. That is all. Let's look back. App.js is calling each component, each car here, right? And that car comes to the car over here in a properties. We are trying to destructure them. Car comes with an image, car name, description, price, everything. You may have CID as well, but as of now, I'm not using that. In future, more key value pairs may be coming. It's up to us what has to be shown to the user. Let's head back to the output. I have some error over here. SRC. It seems like I created a component outside the SRC. .js. Where is my cars? Oh, it seems I created cars in an image public. Yes, please. Let's head back now. There you see, it is showing up only the INR part. We are not seeing this because I did not destructure properly here. Please destructure accordingly. Use curly braces over here. Hopefully this should render. There you go. Like car, its name, car image, car name, description, and price for that. I have 7 cars. Let me try to put this up in a grid format. Yeah. Let me have another division which says it is a row. Class name is row. And this one should be column 1, right? So let's look at this. There. Let me have an header format here, H1. Some slogan about that. Right destination for your car search. There, Philip. Now you can see that now you can visualize how the items or the products on any e-commerce site are being rendered. See you in the next video.